You know that this was your choice. You said, hey, I just wanna hear your voice. I said, babe, you know that this was your choice, but it means nothing at all. 'Cause I need someone who loves me, and I know it don't come easily. And maybe I'm just not good enough at all to feel your love. So how am I supposed to